just finished my 10 years as a president of the former seminarians as president. And again, hindi ako nagpari for two reasons. Number one, it's difficult to become a priest. Ang binibigay ng mga tao in-offer is ano? Noodles, mantika, asukal, itlog, papaya. Papaya. Bakit papaya? Okay. But the main reason is that it's difficult to become a priest, especially if you're good looking. Baka ayaw niyo maniwala. By the way, ang mga joke ni Coach is, ano na to, hapitin yung mga sarili ninyo. Ha? Di ba? Ha? Okay, so, alam na ninyo na yung coach ninyo dito, mayabang. Ang tawag dyan, angas. What's the word? Pride. In a positive way. Huwag natin iwala yan. I want you to have that. Okay? Especially na meron tayo ngayong i-embrace na isang tool which is coaching. Dapat may angas tayo. Okay. Yan. So, after retirement, gumawa ko ng negosyo. I have a coffee shop. Yan. Meron akong food cart distribution. No? Franchising. Ang sarap ng buhay, no? But unfortunately, it did not work. Lahat bagsak. So, ano na lang? So, Lord, ano bang gusto mong ipagawa sa akin? And I was playing basketball. And that's what happened. Oh, nakalakad na sila, Lord. Yan na. Okay, so after that, what happened? Okay, na-disgrasya ako. Okay, I've been injured and I was not able to walk for 1.5 years. I can never ever go to the second floor of my house. Lord, di ba? Ano to? So I surrender everything. Sabi ko, Lord, ikaw nang bahala. But give me a sign. And this is what I've learned. If you find yourself in darkness, you are not buried, you are planted. Okay? And you are not rejected, you are redirected. Okay, Lord, bigyan mo ako ng sign. So, bigyan ako ng sign. No? But again, ito yun. No? Hindi ako hindi not give up. So, tuloy-tuloy ang laban ng buhay. And isang bagay na ginawa ko. Sino dito mga ano yung Iron Man? Okay, di ba? So yan po ang ginawa ni Coach. So ano yan? Iron Man. Okay, so just do it. Palakpak naman kayo. Okay, so that's my company right now. No? New Breakthrough Consultancy. Bakit nakatagalin ang letter B? Because if you want breakthrough in your life, be ready to be uncomfortable. Okay? So, ayan siya. So, ang sign namin is a mark. Because no person has the same DNA. Tama? What is DNA? Di namin alam. Come on. Saan ang DNA? Huwag kayong pahirapan sa inyo, huwag kayong pa-stress. No? Okay, so are you ready to learn something new today? Okay, so 4 things we should be managing. Number 1, manage our time. What's number 1? Bakit i-manage natin ang time if you want to coach? As a manager and a leader, bakit number 1? Even in life, that you have to manage your time. Because time is gold. Tama yan. No? Time is gold. But you know what? If you have your ATM with you, or you have your wallets. By the way, anong meaning ng ATM? Ang tanan kay misis. Ang taong mautangan. Muna yung mga ATM. Okay? So if you have your ATM and you are going to check, no? And your purse, you can count, you will know how much money you have up to the last centavo. Right? But you don't know how much time you have in life. Okay? Kaya sabihin mo sa katabi mo, enjoy its moment. Okay? You are here, you are called by God to be here, kaya dapat makinig kayo kay Coach. Hindi yan accident na nandito kayo. You are here para makinig. Okay? And number 2, energy. What is energy? Okay, I was talking to Coach Chinkitan kanina. Okay, so usap kami and I had a chance to interview him sa labas. Okay? So, energy ang pinag-usapan namin. Simple lang, no? Sabi niya, you cannot manage time, but you can manage your energy. Because time is 24/7, but energy is fluctuating. Ano oras kayo nagre-report sa morning? Paano yan? 8. Tapos yung energy mo baba. Diba? So you have to match your energy. So energy, ha? Kasi ang dami niyong rules sa buhay. Pagdating sa opisina, ano kayo? Ano kayo sa opisina? Anong posisyon ninyo? Manager, ano ba? Ha? O yan, kanya-kanya. Pagdating sa bahay, anong posisyon mo? Nanay! Asawa! Diba? Husband. So yun, kailangan natin ng energy. Kasi pag wala tayong energy, how can we fulfill our duties and responsibilities? Tapos mag-coaching ka pa. Diba? Kausapin mo pa yung mga mga kasama mo sa team. Diba? Okay, so magko-coaching pa tayo? Hindi na. Ha? Okay. So yan, sorry. Number 3, action. What is number 3? Okay, bakit? A lot of people are climbing on the wrong ladder. Ano yung sabihin nun? Ginagawa nila, pero hindi naman doon papunta. Anong priority mo sa buhay? Asawa. Iba't madalas ka doon sa kaibigan mo? Pamilya, di ba? Bakit nandun ka sa iba? So dapat yung action mo is geared towards achieving your goal. Kung if you want to be the best manager in one puhunan, you have to do things that you did not do before. Because kung you are expecting different result and doing the same things, ang tawag dyan, insanity. Ano yung insanity? Kahibangan. Sa Bisaya, dire? Kabuang. Right? So if you want different result in your life, do things differently. Okay, sabihin mo sa katabi mo, do things differently. Ha? So yun, kaya ka tayo magpo-coaching kasi we have to do things differently. Kasi it's a tool. Okay? And lastly, mindset. What's the last thing? Di ba? Mindset ba? Mindset. Di ba? Very common yan ngayon. Free pressure lang. 2 mindset. Fixed and growth mindset. What is a fixed mindset? Mindset na ay ginawa na namin yan noon, ma'am. Ginawa na namin yan noon, sir. Wala talagang nangyari. Relate? Di ba? Because gusto natin yung comfort zone. Yung palagi na natin ginagawa. Kaya yun pa rin ang result. O, fixed mindset. Yung isa is growth mindset. What's a growth mindset? Looking opportunities in crisis. May challenges, pero iba yung nakikita mo. Dalawang salesman nag-uusap. Bro, lalabas na tayo sa office? Bro, mamaya pa ako lalabas. After lunch na siguro. Bakit? Umuulan. Di ba? Ang hirap, no? Sabi ng isang tao, sir, lalabas ako, bro. Bakit? Kasi ang mga tao ngayon nasa bahay nila. Kasi ulan. Hindi sila lalabas. Nakita niyo, the same people. Tama? Pero different mindset. Ang isa, dalawang salesman, pinadala sa India. Ang produkto na tsinelas. Sabi ng isang salesman pagdating doon, bossing, uwi na ako. Bakit? Walang opportunity dito. Ang isa tumawag, bossing, padala ka ng maraming stocks. Bakit? Mga tao dito, laki ng opportunity. Walang. I-educate natin sila. Gagawa tayo ng factory dito sa India. Kita niyo again, the same person, seeing same things but different mindset. So saan dapat ang isang manager, ang leader o coach, anong dapat ang mindset na meron ka ngayon? Tahimik eh. Anong dapat mindset? Growth mindset. O, sabihin mo sa katabi mo, growth mindset lagi.